In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find day from date in Microsoft Excel. If you have a list of dates in Excel and you want to display the day name like Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, there's a very quick way to do it using a built-in formula. This is especially useful when you're organizing schedules, attendance sheets, reports, or any spreadsheet where seeing the day of the week makes the data easier to understand at a glance. For this, we can use the text function. The text function lets Excel take a value, such as a date, and display it in a specific format. In this case, we'll use it to convert a date into the full day name. Start by clicking the cell where you want the day name to appear. For example, if your date is in cell A2, select the cell next to it where you want the result to show up. Then type this formula, equals text, open parenthesis, A2, comma, quotation mark, date, quotation mark, close parenthesis. After typing the formula, press enter. As soon as you do that, Excel will return the full day name for the date in cell A2. So instead of seeing just the date, you'll now see something like Monday or Friday. This works because the 4-letter D format tells Excel to display the full weekday name rather than the number or a shortened version. Now you can see that you have a day name generated from the date. This is a simple but very practical trick, and it can save you time compared to checking the calendar manually. If you have more dates in the rows below, you don't need to type the formula again and again. Just select the cell with the formula, move your cursor to the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, and drag it downward. Excel will automatically copy the formula for the rest of the dates in the list. Once you drag it down, you'll have day names for all of those dates. This makes it easy to apply the same conversion across an entire column in just a few seconds. One helpful tip is to make sure the original values in your date column are actual Excel dates and not plain text. If Excel recognizes them as dates, the formula will work correctly and return the proper day names. And that's how to find the day from a date in Microsoft Excel using the text function.